pasta like this. Easy and delicious. In a pot, add water, salt to taste, 200 grams of pasta, and let cook. We also need 1 green bell pepper. Now cut a carrot in. Take 1 chicken breast, cut it into pieces. And before I forget, tell me where you're watching us from so I can send you a special hug. Put the chicken in a bowl. Add salt to taste, half teaspoon of black pepper, a teaspoon of flour, 2 tablespoons of water, and mix well. Make this recipe at home and then come back here to tell me what you think. I'm sure you and your whole family will love it. In a pan, add oil, then the chicken, and stir while frying. When it reaches this point, golden brown like this, remove it from the pan and set aside. In the same pan, add 2 garlic cloves, the cabbage, the bell pepper, the carrot, and mix everything very well. Now add half teaspoon of black pepper, salt to taste, half teaspoon of paprika, 3 tablespoons of soy sauce, and let fry for 5 minutes. After this time, put the chicken back in the pan, then the pasta, and finally, mix everything very well. And our pasta is ready. Look how delicious it is. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Thank you for watching this video. See you in the next one. Bye-bye.